and blessed day, everyone out there, and happy Saturday. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, with the Homework Now YouTube channel, where we scout, research, and provide at home, hybrid business opportunities and career resources for the everyday workers. We have some exciting opportunity today, and again, today is Saturday, so that means Side Hustle Saturday. But before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest info from Homework Now. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so our side hustle for today comes from medical couriers. And it's exactly what the title says, you are becoming a medical courier. That's cool. So, medical couriers, let's take a look at what they have to offer. It is a nationwide medical delivery solution designed in California. Medical Couriers is the leading network of medical delivery specialists with over 50 years of experience in medical specimen transport nationwide. With the patient care as our driver's force, we deliver nearly 10 million specimens every year with the hand selected, highly trained fleet of couriers. We are medical couriers, the future of medical delivery. So they work with like independent labs, hospital systems and groups, long term care pharmacies. There's a whole host of necessary functions in the healthcare industry as far as getting physical specimens to labs and to PCPs, your primary care physician, and also to hospitals, pharmacies, just a whole gamut of services for this medical courier. So expect the same medical courier service nationwide. We specialize in healthcare delivery, serving labs, clinics, and hospital systems and groups, and hold our partners accountable with protocols that deliver the same standard of service from Vegas to Virginia, so all across the country. So it was designed in California. We craft customized logistics solutions to meet our needs with our nationwide network. We are proud of our flexible technology, experienced management team, and commitment to creating clear value producing solutions. As a medical courier, they have 1,000 pickups a day. That is impressive. They go over 250,000 miles a month and over 10 million specimens delivered. And so, I mean, you're probably wondering, well, why do we need a medical courier? Well, things need to be, I would even say, pristine conditions, like blood samples, skin samples, or even just, uh, even organ transplant, or even just like tools, medical tools that need to be in sterilized, or even containers that need to be specially couried to different locations. So why are medical delivery only? At Medical Couriers, we believe every package is a person. Our fleet of couriers is hand selected with highly trained to represent our customers with the highest integrity. Through earthquakes, floods, hailstorms, fires, civil unrest, recessions, and more, we remain steady. With 50 years and 50 million deliveries, we have never lost a specimen. That's good. That's great. We're proud of our members because we know with each delivery, we're impacting a patient every day. So that is the importance of becoming a medical courier. So you have tech tools that put you in control. So they use cutting edge technology in order to communicate with doctors or hospitals with their patients, as far as getting specimens and other things to their medical facilities. So they have mapping. They use bird's eye view for mapping, cloud-enabled trackers on the entire fleet to show us where our drivers are at all times and predict vehicle and traffic problems before they happen, which is really good. Tracking app. We also have electronic delivery verification, barcoding, and the ability to create special delivery notes allow your drivers to track each specimen as if they were their own. Also, they provide a tracking center. Real-time tracking specimen tracking tells you where your driver is at all times. For extra peace of mind, speak to a real live human in our dispatch center anytime. So, and they have dashboards. So get an overview of your experience with real-time analytics, invoicing, and graphic data that put you in the driver's seat with all stats in one place. So that gives you kind of an overview of what medical couriers is all about. And so we're going to actually take a look at where it says, will you become a medical courier? So it says become a driver. So you can take a look and say, they love what they do, they love what they work. What is it like to become an MCI? The mission, the culture, the benefits. So the medical courier's role is meaningful. Every day you're helping people get closer to health by transporting specimens, samples, medications, equipment, and more that could mean the difference between life and death. Your cargo could be a brain tissue sample that can be collected again or blood draw to diagnose cancer. There's true human consequence to this work. We know our job matters. So that's amazing. I mean, you basically become part of a team that is helping people, through life and death, through medical diagnosis. I mean, just treatments. It's everything. It's really a very important work. So the work. What is it like to become a medical courier? Everything we do at MCI comes down to the patient. That means we care about safety and bringing and being meticulous. Our work environment is clean and organized. Our cars are well maintained and our uniforms are crisp. We take pride in doing our job well down to the last detail. So right here on the on the right, is the form that you will fill out for to become a medical courier. So we're always looking to grow the family. Tell us about yourself. So you fill out your name, first name, last name, your email address, and desired city for contracts. So in that form, whatever, it'd probably be good to be close to, if you're close to a major city. Like for instance, I'm in Houston, Texas, so I'll put Houston down here. A desired state, and whatever, all 50 states. And I believe they're mainly out on the West Coast, but they have partnerships with is the more you go to the central and out east. So you have to check and see what partnership they have with. If you want to send them a message about what your skills are as far as being a medical courier, are you over 18? It's always important. Expect now. See, they have expected pay from for this job since it's such a critical job. I would not go under maybe $25 an hour. I would say you between $25 and $28 an hour, maybe up into the 32s or something like that. So, because it is a very important one, and plus you're driving a car, you may have to pay for insurance. They may have to. I'm gonna have to check and see if they cover insurance as well. So, put your phone, your available start date. Whenever you feel like you're ready to do this. If you refer by someone, specialized skills, you have, maybe a special license or anything. Then what was your last job? And then tell us about the jobs you have relevant and uh, submit your form. So that would be the application process, and then they probably would have someone who would be contacting you as far as your application. So you can take a look at what the culture is of the healthcare delivery system or how it functions. And it says, who are we looking for? We're always looking for conscientious people who share the same. No job is too small ethic that guides our company to this day. If you feel that we'd love to have a conversation with you. And you can just read up on some of the articles about medical couriers. And it looks like they even have planes that they have that they use for medical couriers, which is pretty interesting. So here's a form that you will fill out. They have a contact number line that you can call to ask questions, and then if you're interested in medical courier service, please fill. And then you can submit your driver's application as well. So becoming a medical courier, it seems like a very very interesting thing. Here's some stories about from medical couriers and what they do. Control Mastering quality control, your guide to reducing test errors by 25%. So I guess that there are errors that can happen with medical tests, and then you would be, looking for to be that quality control person to protect those samples, those protect those specimens as well. And then just a whole host of information on medical courier. So check this out. This is an interesting side hustle. You can probably do this during the weekends or even in the evening time, playing your routes. And if you have like any other questions, give them a call. Ask them what they are all about. And they have a login here that you would log in to your account. And you probably have what get your orders here for medical deliveries. And yeah, this is interesting. You get very lucrative and very important service that you can carry out here is becoming a medical courier. So today's side hustles is about helping people, helping yourself as well, as far as having a side hustle, but doing a good service for the healthcare industry, for patients in getting their treatments, their medicines, their equipment, medical couriers from the service medical couriers. So if you feel like this would be a great side hustle for you, you feel like good business for you, and also at the same time helping people out. That's the main goal. This is a awesome service. So I will leave a link to this position, to the side hustle, in the description below. And if you feel like you can do this and you have the strength and go get them attitude to do this, then this would be an awesome opportunity to become a medical courier. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out this review of the side hustle opportunity. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and please check to see if this opportunity is a good fit for you and for your side hustle goals. Again, thank you so much. Have an awesome weekend, and I will see you next week. All right, guys, take care.